everyone, this is Cindy Cramp the Heart, and I thought it'd be fun to do a little bit of a project share and just to give you some sort of ideas of what you can do with a lot of things that we get in not too shabby shop boxes where we're not exactly sure if we want to make a million cards. I did make a bunch of cards, but I also did some other things with some of the pieces in the box. So I got the junior box. I think it's for March. I think it's March. And in the junior box, you get these card fronts. Farmhouse Bounty. There's 24 cards in here. And even though I did a lot of stuff with them, I still have 3 left, which I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do. I think what I might do is I might cut them down a little bit and then just put a hole in the top and make them into bookmarks. I'm thinking about doing that. But I made a lot of things and I still have 3 left. So we'll go into that. And then the other thing is the ephemera. So, you know, I have a love-hate relationship with ephemera because I love it. I think it's cute, fun, easy. But then I have like a lot of it, and I don't know that I want to make a million cards that are the same. I don't necessarily want to make lots of quick cards. A few quick cards are nice, but I don't send as many cards as I get older, and so I just would rather stamp and color and do a lot more things with the products I have than just make quick cards. But I do love them. So what am I going to do? So what I did with this project is very unlike me, is I already had this old book. It's actually from 1944. It's a discarded book. And I don't know where I have somewhere it says 1944. Maybe I covered it up right here, 1944. And so I used the ephemera, I used the old book, and I used pages from Daphne's Diary, which I have like 6 or 7 old copies of it, just kind of laying around waiting to be pulled apart and cut up and used in a project. And so I used it here. And so what I did was I just took some fabric that I had in my stash and put it on the spine with just some ribbon so that it didn't look so messy. And then I just went through and I went ahead and just put in all of the Daphne's Diary pages, anything that was sort of recipe or food related. And then I went through and I used my ephemera to help decorate. I did put a little gesso, I did a little bit of spray here and there, and it just kind of gave it this sort of messy kind of look. Some of it kind of stuck together, but I'm not going to worry about that. And then there's like a little pocket up here. And so in Daphne's Diary, they have these like recipe cards. So I threw those in here and there. And I just used up all of the ephemera that came in that junior box for March. And so I just give you an idea of how it came out. So if you're going to do a book like this, if you don't want it to be like an alligator mouth, like really, really fat, you need to take some pages out. And also you don't want to be covering all these pages. So I took a bunch of pages out, and I also glued pages together to make them a little bit firmer because these old books pages are very, very thin. So that's kind of what I did, and then I just went hog wild, and so this project did not take me very long at all because I was just not thinking about it. I just kind of threw everything down, and that's how it came out. Okay, then the other thing that I did was, of course, make cards. So in this pack, there is 1 page of sentiments, and so it's enough for about half of them. And so I went ahead and I cut them out using, there is a die you could buy if you so choose, or you can just cut them out with your paper cutter. And so then I just made cards, and these are just really simple cards, and they're really pretty actually. So just to give you an idea of what it looks like. And so then I bought These are acid-free blank books. They're 24 pages in a book, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and I got them in black. And then all I did was take the front card fronts, and I went ahead and cut them down about 1/8 of an inch on the side and on the top or the bottom, just so that I could have a black border. And so now I have all of these little notebooks, and so there's, I think, 10 of them. So these little notebooks, I think that they are super, super cute. And so just a really great fun way of using up some of these items that maybe you're like, what do I do with these cards? What do I do, with these card fronts? What do I do with all this ephemera if I don't want to just make a million cards? So this is an idea. I also have a video that I did, I think I did it in December, using the gingerbread, I had a gingerbread bundle that came out, Not Too Shabby Shop did, and I did use up all the ephemera, and I did not make a single card with it. I made tags, and I made gift card holders, and I made a bunch of other stuff. So that's other ideas that you could use the ephemera for if you're not looking to make a ton of cards. Maybe you just want to make a few cards, and then, because maybe you're like me and you, unless you're maybe making cards as gifts where you want them all to, you want like 4 or 5 the same to match and package up and give as a gift. But if you're not doing that, maybe you don't want, 25 cards using ephemera. Maybe you want to use some other things with the ephemera, and you want to be able to stamp and color and die cut and do other things to make cards. These are just some different ideas that I did. So stay tuned for a part 2 where we're going to make some cards together using some other items from that junior box. Thanks so much for watching. This is Sandy Crying with the Heart.